Welcome to our step-by-step guide on uninstalling the KB5074105 update from Windows 11. If you're facing issues after installation, this presentation will help you navigate the process smoothly. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand that Microsoft advises against uninstalling updates. Proceed only if you're experiencing significant issues, as this action may expose your computer to security risks. Let's start by accessing the update history. Open your settings using the shortcut Win+1 or search for Settings. Then select Windows Update from the menu and click on Update History to view the list of installed updates. Once in the Update History section, scroll down to find the Uninstall Updates option under Related Settings. This will open a new window listing all uninstallable updates on your PC. Now locate the KB5074105 update in the list. Click Uninstall and confirm your choice if prompted. After the uninstallation process is complete, restart your PC to finalize the changes. To prevent Windows from automatically reinstalling the same update, you can pause all updates temporarily. Go to Settings, Windows, Update, find Pause Updates, and select the duration you prefer. In summary, uninstalling updates should be a last resort. Manage your settings through the Uninstall Updates panel, and remember to restart your system. You can pause future updates to prevent reinstallation.